Keep it in the, no, in the sink. Keep it in the sink. Keep it in the sink. Keep it like that. Perfect. Oh. Now we're going to just wipe this up here so it doesn't go all, there we go, so it won't be slippery. You getting pretty wet in the front there? We should have put your smock on, shouldn't we have?
Can you put my smock on?
Well, you're already wet, you know. That's all right. When we paint, we'll put that on. Oh, that's good bubbles back there. Good thinking.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I fart.
Okay. Thank you for saying excuse me.
Can you watch the soap?
Yeah, let's put it here. You have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not too hot, not too cold, but just right.
I can vacuum cleaner here. Okay, can you put some water on so the ducky can float over here, okay? No water on, okay?
More?
Yeah.
There we go.
Where's the pig's food?
I think we have to dig for it. Let's see. I'll go in. I'll pretend I have a snorkel on my... Oh, I think I found it. Oh, look, here, it's coming, it's coming.
And everywhere.
Everywhere.
Getting under your hand.
I know. I'm getting a nice hand wash this morning, aren't I?
Yeah.
Whoa, and everything else washed. This has been the cleanest counter ever. There's water everywhere. Well, wait, we gotta mop up some of this water. It's gonna go.
It's gonna go.
Whoa! Ah! We gotta mop this up. Where's the mop? All hands on deck. All hands on deck.
Wipe the table. Wipe the table plate.
Table, yes, it is like table play.
Oh, is that table play at nursery school?
But that's either outside or in. Whoa! All hands on deck.